The IndiGo chaos appeared to have had some impact on the Modi government, as the Civil Aviation Ministry is now opening the sector for new airlines. The Civil Aviation Ministry has reportedly issued no objection certificate to 3 new airlines: Al Hind Air, Fly Express and Shank Air. With this, all 3 airlines are ready to start operation in India. Union Ministry of Civil Aviation Ram Mohan Naidu took to X to share the news of the new NOCs. Over the last 1 week, I'm pleased to have met teams from new airlines aspiring to take wings in Indian skies: Shank Air, Al Hind Air and Fly Express. While Shank Air has already gotten NOC from Ministry, Al Hind Air and Fly Express have received their NOCs this week. He also said that it has been the endeavor of the ministry to encourage more airlines in Indian aviation, which is among the fastest growing aviation market in the world, owing to the policies of the government of PM Narendra Modi ji. Schemes like Udan have enabled small carrier, Star Air, Indian One Air, Fly 19, etc. to play an important role in the regional connectivity within the country, and there is more scope for further development. We report News Now.